Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Study Buzz Official. Today we are going to see a question which is related to coordinate geometry. The question is, in acute triangle ABC the base BC has the equation. तो base BC का equation यहाँ पे हमें दे के रखा है 4x minus 3y plus 3 equal to 0. Coordinates of orthocentre 1 2 है and circumcenter 2 3 है. Radius of the circle circumscribing the triangle is root m by n where m and l are relatively prime. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. तो हमारे पास बेस की इक्वेशन 4x माइनस 3y प्लस 3 है. तो हम कुछ इस प्रकार उसको लिख सकते हैं कि 4x माइनस 3y प्लस 3 ये हमारा बेस हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ मैं 4x माइनस 3y प्लस 3 इक्वल टू 0. ये हमारा बेस हो गया. अब यहाँ पे एक और चीज़ हमें दी है विच इज़ दी ऑर्थोसेंटर एच. ऑर्थोसेंटर एच हमें 1,2 दिया गया है. तो ये हमारा ऑर्थोसेंटर एच यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 1,2. इफ़ यू टेक द इमेज ऑफ ऑर्थोसेंटर अबाउट द बेस तो वो यहाँ पे कहीं पे आएगा एच इमेज. ठीक है. तो एच की जो इमेज होती है अबाउट ऑर्थोसेंटर दैट इज़ मेंट टू लाई ऑन दी सर्कम सर्कल. तो ये जो एच आई एम है ना ये कहाँ पे लाई करेगा, सर्कम सर्कल पे लाई करेगा. तो ये एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी है जो आपको समझनी है, याद रखनी है. क्या है कि ऑर्थोसेंटर का अगर आप किसी साइड ऑफ द ट्रायंगल से इमेज लोगे तो वो जो इमेज आएगा ना वो कहाँ पे लाई करने वाला है, सर्कम सर्कल पे लाई करने वाला है. ओके. तो इक्वेशन तो हमने लिख दी 4x माइनस 3y प्लस 3. तो अभी हमें करना क्या है, अभी हमें 1,2 का इमेज निकालना है अबाउट द लाइन 4x माइनस 3y प्लस 3 इक्वल 0 पे. तो इसका बहुत ही सिंपल सा फॉर्मूला है. हम इमेज को x, y बोल देते हैं तो वो क्या हो जाएगा x माइनस 1 मतलब ये वाला 1, ये जो आपको सामने दिख रहा है ना ये वाला 1. ठीक है. x माइनस 1 डिवाइडेड बाई a माने ये 4 सो x माइनस 1 बाई 4. y माइनस 2 ये वाला 2 डिवाइडेड बाई माइनस 3 इक्वल टू माइनस 2 टाइम्स a x1 सो 4 इंटू 1 माइनस 3 इंटू 2 प्लस 3 upon 4 square plus minus 3 square. That is the formula for image. X minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b equal to minus 2 times ax1 plus by1 plus c upon a square plus b square. So this would be x minus 1 by 4, y minus 2 by minus 3 and this will be 4 minus 6 minus 2 minus 2 plus 3 1 into minus 2 by 25. And that is how you will get x minus 1 as minus 8 by 25, y minus 2 as plus 6 by 25. So your x will come out to be 17 by 25 and your y would come out to be 56 by 25. So your image is 17 by 25 and 56 by 25. Okay, so x minus 1 by 4 was equal to 4 minus 6 minus 2 plus 3 1 into minus 2 by 25. So minus 8 by 25 plus 1 17 by 25 plus 6 by 25 plus 2 56 by 25. So deliberately I will not reduce it. I can reduce it but I will not. Now imagine this that this is the circle's point, this particular thing, correct? So now I need to understand there is also a circumcenter. Now that circumcenter is given as 2, 3. So circumcenter is 2, 3. So this distance is nothing but the radius of the circumcircle. So basically I have 2, 3 as the circumcenter which is 2, 3 and the image HIM which lies on the circle is 17 by 25, 56 by 25. The distance between them is definitely the radius of the circle or the circumcircle. So that would be 2 minus 17 by 25 the whole square, 3 minus 56 by 25 the whole square. So that would be 25 into 2 50, 50 minus 17 33 by 25 the whole square. 25 into 3 75 minus 56, that will be 19 by 25 the whole square. So root, let us write down 33's square would be equal to 900, 30 का स्क्वायर 900, 30 30 90, 180 और 9 1089 and 19 का 361 divided by 625. तो रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कमसर्कल comes out to be 361, 370, 80, 1450 divided by 625, and that is in under root. Now I can say this is root 25. So root 625 is 25 and root 1450. I'll have to solve this. So let me solve. So I'll try to solve this as root 1450 divided by 625. So what can I do? I can keep this as 25, write this down as 10 into 145, and then I can write it down as 10 into 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10, 5 9s are divided by 25. So 10 can come as 5 into 2 into 5 into 29 divided by 25. So 1 5 will come out, and then root 58 divided by 25. So the final answer comes out to be root 58 by 5. That can't be simplified any further. So the question says that is root m by n, where m and n are relatively prime. So let us check. M and n are relatively prime, yes. So m plus n would be equal to 63, which is the correct answer. Also we need to understand one pretty nice example, that if you take the image of orthocentre about any side, the image of orthocentre about the side of the triangle will give a point, the image of the orthocentre, which lies on the circumcircle of that particular side of the triangle. So the correct answer to the question would be 63, where m is 58 and n was 5. So m plus n came out to be 63, which is the correct answer.